Did you know that there are over 7,500 apple varieties worldwide? Yes, you heard that right, 7,500. That's right. This humble fruit, a staple in many cultures, boasts a diversity that's often overlooked. Each variety has its own unique flavor, texture, and color. We usually grab the same old variety from the supermarket shelf, but what if I told you each type holds a unique key to unlocking specific health benefits? Intrigued? I thought so. Imagine the possibilities if we explored beyond the usual choices. In this exploration of apple varieties, we will uncover the hidden treasures within each type. From the tart Granny Smith to the sweet Honeycrisp, each apple has a story to tell. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, the right apple can be a powerful ally in your pursuit of well-being. Some apples are rich in antioxidants, while others are packed with fiber. Stay with me and I'll share a special tip at the end. A simple trick to pick the perfect apple every time. It's easier than you think and will make your apple experience even better. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of apple varieties and discover how these juicy gems can enhance your health. Whether you prefer them fresh, baked, or juiced, there's an apple out there for everyone. We've all heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." But what does it really mean? But have you ever wondered why this fruit is so highly regarded? It's not just an old wives' tale or a catchy phrase. Apples are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. Fiber, found abundantly in apples, aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Antioxidants like vitamin C protect your cells against damage, boosting your immune system and protecting against chronic diseases. But here's the catch. Not all apple varieties are created equal. Each has its own unique benefits. Each type has a unique nutritional profile, making some better suited for specific health goals. For instance, some are higher in fiber, while others are richer in antioxidants. Want to boost your energy levels? There's an apple for that. Apples can be a great pre-workout snack. Looking for a low-calorie snack to aid weight management? There's an apple for that too. They are filling and nutritious. Let's explore some popular apple varieties and their specific health benefits. From Granny Smith to Honeycrisp, each has something unique to offer. You might be surprised by what you discover. So next time you reach for a snack, consider the humble apple. Red Delicious with its sweet, mild flavor is a popular choice. But did you know it's also a good source of quercetin, an antioxidant that may improve brain health? Then there's Granny Smith, the tart green apple, known for its high fiber content, aiding digestion, and promoting weight management. If you're looking for a boost of vitamin C, look no further than the Honeycrisp, with its satisfying crunch and balanced sweetness. Fuji apples, with their sweet and tangy flavor, are rich in antioxidants, linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Which of these benefits is most important to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Choosing the right apple can be a delightful journey of taste and well-being. With so many varieties available, each offering its own unique flavor and texture, the experience can be both fun and rewarding. Remember the tip I promised? Here it is. When selecting an apple, pay attention to its firmness and aroma. These are key indicators of quality. A firm apple with a fragrant aroma indicates freshness and ripeness. The skin should be smooth and free of blemishes. Don't be afraid to give it a gentle sniff. This can help you gauge its sweetness and overall flavor profile. So the next time you reach for an apple, remember the incredible diversity this fruit offers. Explore different varieties, savor their unique flavors, and discover new favorites. Enjoy the health benefits they bring, from vitamins to fiber. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, apples are a powerhouse of nutrition. There's an apple out there for everyone, no matter your taste preference. Go ahead, find the apple of your eye and make it a part of your daily routine. Experience the power of nature's candy and let it bring joy and health to your life.